I was told to switch over to a neurologist, and the neurologist gave me very strong medicines. And those strong medicines discouraged me a lot, and I didn't know whether I'm going to be able to lead my rest of the life normal or not. I am Wing Commander Brijesh Kumar Grover, retired from the Indian Air Force 33 years back. I'm 78 years young, and I'd been leading a very hectic life while being in the Air Force. I was flying for almost 29 years. Suddenly, 2.5 to 3 years back, I started getting some kind of a pain on my back, and it stretched onto my from back onto my left foot, and I got a feeling that some of the nerves were getting pulled. That made my walking very difficult, almost impossible, and I was a very disheartened person. I felt quite handicapped and quite with very low morale. I consulted an orthopedic surgeon, and he checked up and he said he gave me some medicine. That medicine did not give me any effect. I was told to switch over to a neurologist, and the neurologist gave me very strong medicines. And those strong medicines discouraged me a lot, and I didn't know whether I'm going to be able to lead my rest of the life normal or not. After having been a failure with both the surgeons, that is the orthopedic and the neuro, I was referred to Rakesh Balooni, the yoga guru, and having not known anything about yoga, it came as a bit of a surprise. So he gave me an initial talk on the subject, and with a reluctant mind, I said, okay, I will go through this treatment. But I was inwardly very disheartened and discouraged and felt quite uh, uncomfortable. Anyway, I started my exercise with him. I've been with him for almost one. It was initial training, and then after that, it's been on periodical. His way of instructing was both practical and also with the mind working on my mind and telling me what is being done and how it is going to affect my body. In other words, he was teaching me the exercises and also explaining as to how a particular exercise is going to affect my physiology or a human physiology. And I'm feeling much better. I'm almost back to my normal walking, back to about 2 to 3 kilometers, and hoping to remain fit. One very good point which I would like to tell is I was in between away to Australia for about 3.5 months. And Australia being a very cold place, I had apprehensions that the cold is going to affect my pain. Sciatica pain is going to be very uncomfortable. I may not be able to bear it, but luckily, with whatever exercises and lifestyle practices Dr. Balooni advised, have been quite useful to me. And my stay in Australia for a little more than 3 months was absolutely trouble free. I was able to do my walking of 3 to 4 kilometers comfortably, and I came back with a reasonably healthy body, healthy heart, and a healthy mind. I would advise anybody who's got this kind of a problem to undergo yoga treatment under Dr. Rakesh Balooni. He is not only a yoga master or a yoga guru, he has got a lot of knowledge on the acupressure, mind games, and also he is able to correlate whatever exercises he's making me do or whatever way he's telling me to think he makes you understand by the effect it is having on your body. I've been comfortable under him, and I hope to continue for whatever length of time I can.